Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel and to our other social media links that are at the top bar. I want to build a community here. I love the comments, and I love the calls and text messages, and I love the positive feedback on my videos. It just helps me improve. Let's go. I have a 2021 Chevy Silverado LT Trail Boss, and this thing is gorgeous. It's in great shape, a little under 30,000 miles. So you have the remaining factory warranty. Has a 5.3 liter V8, so on average 16 miles a gallon, with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And I have to say, with the dual tip exhaust on this thing, it sounds amazing. And this is a Trail Boss, so it has a 2-inch factory lift that gives it a 10.9 inch ground clearance. And of course, the regular, half-ton trucks are just 8.5 to 8.9. So this has a 2-inch lift from factory. And of course, you have the nice little LED headlights with a black grille and the black bow tie, and I love that. And little red tow hooks that match our red Country Chevrolet emblem. There you go, daytime running lights. They're also LED. And these 18-inch 5-spoke glossy black wheels go with it. I love that Z71 package. You come inside here and you have black leather interior. This has the leather package. For an LT Trail Boss, it's an extra option that you have to have added on. And they are heated. Along with the heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, blind spot monitoring, power locks, windows, mirrors, and an amazing Bose stereo system. You have power seats as well, which is always really nice. And especially with it being a Trail Boss and it's designed, built to go off-road, you don't want cloth, you want leather, so it's easier to clean when you're all muddy. Here's all your light settings for your automatic headlights, your interior lights, and then of course your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and mode settings for your tow haul mode. This has the trailering equipment package. You have integrated brake controller and the trailering app. Like I said before, 29,822 miles, a little under 30,000 miles on a 21, so you still have the remaining factory warranty, which is always nice when you're buying a used vehicle. Comes with a warranty. Cruise control, heated steering wheel, like I said before, Bluetooth, menu settings, and audio control settings, like always on every GM and Chevy. Been there for quite a while. Come over here to this gorgeous 8-inch touchscreen display, and it have several settings and options. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is nice for your Google Maps, your phones, text messages, all in one little place. If you have the OnStar services with the data package, you can have Chevy Maps, Spotify, and Amazon Alexa, but you have to pay for the data package for that. And there's other apps that you could buy too. I can't get to right now because I don't have the data package, but there's other apps you can get. Here's your climate settings. You can control it from the screen or from down here as well. You have dual climate control, like I said before, with heated front seats. And just some other safety features like the blind spot monitoring I mentioned before. You have parking sensors. You have the automatic start and stop, which you can turn off because a lot of people don't like it. Here's your tailgate down button, which is also on your remote here. Press that until it goes down. You also have remote start, which is nice. Your hazards, check control off. This is for this right here. It'll turn this on. And then you have 12 volt, USB-A, USB-C, and then integrated brake controller, because you have the trailer equipment. More plugs in here. An auxiliary port and an SD slot. And plenty of room in storage space. Come up above while you're off-roading. You got your little moonroof. That way you can just look at the tree limbs. So that's the front. Let's go to the back here. The back, you have plenty of room for 3 with plenty of headspace. It's about 3 inches extra of headspace. Cup holders and armrest, which is always nice. It comes with these all-weather floor mats for the front and rear, and you have some more charging ports back here as well. You know, for your older kids, older teenagers that need to charge their tablets or phones or anything like that. Or if you go out and want to hide something in here, you can. Had something right there. That way if you go in somewhere you're not comfortable with, purse, wallet, something like that. Got these nice little side steps here. A lot of truck bosses don't have side steps because it doesn't help with the clearance. It makes the clearance lower, but the previous owner had put side steps on it. You have these side steps on the rear bumpers to help you get in and out. Press that button, it comes down by itself on the remote, and in there, of course, like I showed before, there's a spray-in bed liner, and you have all these tie-down points. I think there's 21 in total. And of course you have another 400 watt plug here with some lights on either side, which is nice. And this is a light tailgate. So easy to put up. This is a premium dual tip exhaust that I was talking to you about. And it sounds amazing with this. With this 5.3, surprisingly, it sounds really nice. And you heard that before earlier in the video. But there it is, in all of its glory, 2021 Chevy Silverado LT with leather trail boss. And it's for sale here at Country Chevrolet. We're located in Benton, Kentucky, the heart of Western Kentucky, as I say. And it's not going to last long. I mean, a lot of the trail bosses have cloth, and a lot of people don't like that. They like the leather for it's easier to cleaning for when you're muddy, and just leather is so much nicer. So I mean, this thing's not going to last long. My number's down in the description. Call, text me, it's talk numbers to make a deal. Let's take this thing home. If you're ready to buy, we are ready to sell. So let me know, hit me up, see what we can do, and we'll make a deal. I mean, you just can't beat a country-made deal. That's what we do here at Country Chevrolet. We make deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.